Is it time to buy or sell Alibaba stock? In this video, we will explore Alibaba in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 29th of August, 2025. And now, we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 29th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Alibaba as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 8.13. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 7.36% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 13.10% to 7.36%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 29.65%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 0.346% to 58.46% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $135.47 and $213.92. Our latest daily update for Alibaba includes the headline, "A very strong day for Alibaba stock price on Friday." The Alibaba stock price gained 12.9% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 29th of August, 2025. It rose from $119.57 to $135. During that day, the stock fluctuated 6.29%, with a low of $128.55 and a high of $136.64. Although the price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 11.33% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume increased on the last day, along with the price, which signals a positive technical trend. In total, 67 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a combined total of 82 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $11.02 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $148.43, while the lowest was $80.06. Currently, the price is 9.05% or $13.43 below the 52-week high and 57.72% or $184.32 below the all-time high reached on the 27th of October, 2020, when the price peaked at $319.32. Alibaba experienced a significant rally today, surging by approximately 13% after announcing its results for the quarter ending in June. The company showcased stronger than anticipated growth in its cloud and artificial intelligence initiatives. Although the quarter presented a mixed performance, headline revenue and earnings fell short of expectations. Cloud revenues saw an impressive acceleration, boasting around a 26% increase compared to the same period last year. Management also highlighted substantial progress in its AI products and the development of in-house artificial intelligence chips. This combination has led investors to return to the stock despite a generally weak market atmosphere. In the short term, this surge reflects investor sentiment. They are responding positively to clear improvements in artificial intelligence and e-commerce following the company's restructuring efforts. This has allowed Alibaba to surpass short-term resistance levels and attracted momentum trading. However, one should anticipate increased volatility as traders evaluate the performance of different segments against the overall underperformance and as macroeconomic news, such as trade tensions and changes in tariffs impacting cross-border retail, continues to influence sentiment. Looking at the long term, sustained monetization from cloud services and artificial intelligence could lead to a reevaluation of the stock's value if growth continues and profit margins improve. Additionally, advancements in proprietary chip technology may reduce reliance on suppliers and enhance competitiveness. However, potential risks include execution challenges, substantial investment in research and development, putting pressure on short-term profits, and ongoing geopolitical and regulatory uncertainties that could limit stock valuation until the company demonstrates successful execution. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned a buy rating to BABA, accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark again assigned a buy rating to BABA with a hold action. On Saturday, the 22nd of February, 2025, Benchmark reiterated its buy rating for BABA along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, UBS reported a reduced rating for BABA with a hold action. On the same day, February 19th, 2025, Benchmark provided an outperform rating for BABA along with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned Alibaba stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Alibaba. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. Alibaba's stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal reflected in the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During potential downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $123.77 and $120.43. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, July 9th, 2025, and the stock has since risen by 30% and 200s. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 38 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 31 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Alibaba. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $120.23 and $116.97. There's a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Alibaba finds support just below today's level at $120.23. If this breaks, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $116.97 and $103.83. This stock is typically traded at a good volume, and with minor daily changes, the risk is considered to be low. During the last day, the stock moved $8.09, which is a 6.29% change between high and low. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 3.05%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Alibaba, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal low expectations for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.13. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Alibaba. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might consider entering a position and using volume to help determine when to exit. On the downside, Alibaba encounters its first support level at 120.23. If this support level holds, it could be a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. A recommended stop loss is set at $130.11, representing a decrease of 3.62%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, contributing to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom identified 37 days ago. Is Alibaba stock a good buy? Alibaba presents several positive signals and is currently within a weak rising trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a good option at these levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 2nd of September, we expect Alibaba to open lower by $1.60, starting at $133.40. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.